What should we expect from others as we head to 2027 general election?
That we have peaceful, issue-based campaign. We must, for the sake of this country, ensure that our conduct reflects the office we're seeking, our behavior, and that we do the right things and campaign on issues that Nigerians are going through today.
Despite the peace accord signed in Osun State, about 50 persons died in Osun.
Did you see what I wrote about those who died in Osun State? Go and read my tweets. I said, let us not forget those who died in ensuring that the election in Osun was achieved the way it went. That we should visit them, we should condole their families, and we should remain prayerful and conduct ourselves in a way that in our democracy, nobody needs to die for an election. It shouldn't be. It is painful. And I wish it never happened again.
Do you still believe in the process?
Well, because I want to change the process, I have to go through it. So I have to believe in it. But then,
some are asking that the politicians should actually live by the dictates of the content of the signing.
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. No, we don't even need to sign this. We're seeking an office where we should be exemplary. You can't answer His Excellency without being an excellent person. So that process that will make you to answer His Excellency should be excellent. And the only way to do it is to conduct yourself properly.
One of your fellow candidates just called for a justice accord as opposed to just signing a peace accord. They want a justice accord to be able to penalize those who go against the dictates of what you're signing here today. Do you agree with that?
Well, whatever it is, whether we call it justice accord or we call it peace accord, personal conduct of the candidate must reflect the office is seeking. Behavior, his person, any day, anytime, must reflect that office.
So with what you have seen so far, sir, what is your biggest fear ahead of 2027 election?
I don't have any fear except to say that, please, for the sake of the children of Nigeria, can we have an election where people's vote will count?
After signing accord, peace accord statement here today, if any party, anyone violates, what should be the punishment for them?
Well, the punishment is that Nigeria should not vote for them.
So far, it's an empty, hollow ritual. We are only here out of respect for the country, and out of respect for the process, and out of respect for the organizers. You saw the one they signed in Osun, how many people got killed after signing it. So I think the problem with all these signing ceremonies is that it's an impossible task to look for peace without justice. So I think until we have electoral justice, there cannot be anything like peace.
How do you expect the justice to be done for those that violate the rules?
The people who will sign first will be the first to violate it. You have a government that is against democracy itself, that sees challenge as an offense. A government that is intimidating, coercing, and harassing the opposition. And I think if the government, which is responsible for 90% of the problems of elections, if the government changes its ways, even if they don't sign anything, if there's no peace accord signed, we'll have a better result. If the president can keep to his oath of office, if he can keep to his oath of office and govern the country according to the law, and make sure that law enforcement agencies, INEC, and all the organizations, institutions of government play their role well, there will be no need for signing this. But I'm just here out of obligation. But I believe that the one we signed 4 years ago, they violated it. The one signed in recent times, violated. So we're just here for fun.
Don't you think there is an improvement looking at the Oyo State election, Osun State election that just passed?
What improvements? If 40 people have been killed, what do you tell their family? What improvement? 30 commissioners of police in one state and all the problems. What is the thing there? There's no improvement. And that is two factions of President Tinubu supporters fighting there. Adewole is Tinubu's person. The other side is Tinubu's person. So it's an internal family fight, and 40 people who died. So I think we need to be serious that a civilized society won't sign this kind of agreement now.
If you emerge the president of this country, what should Nigeria expect from you?
Especially a civilized government, a government of conscience, a government that follows the law, a government that you won't be called to come and sign peace. How should you? A government will be peaceful on its own. How can you be called? Is it not President Tinubu ought to come here wearing a face mask of shame? Because if you are the president of a country and you are being asked to come and sign peace accord when your country is not at war, it shows too that you have not shown leadership. Will you bring Nnamdi Azikiwe to come and sign peace accord here? Will you bring Balewa to come and sign peace accord? Or Shagari? It shows that the system doesn't trust you. They know that you are a troublemaker.
The benefit of those that will not know your party and your name.
Anybody who doesn't know my party is Social Democratic Party, the party of the White Horse, farewell to poverty and insecurity. That is the party coming to power by God's grace.